Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Sketch Cut Lite. First, ensure you have the latest version installed on your computer. Once launched, you'll see a clean workspace. Begin by creating a new project, choosing from several preset canvas dimensions or setting custom ones. Take a moment to locate the main toolbar, usually positioned on the left or top, which houses your primary design instruments. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth creative process. Now, let's dive into the core design tools. The pen tool is excellent for crafting intricate paths and smooth curves, offering precise control over your vector artwork. For basic shapes, the rectangle, circle, and polygon tools are incredibly efficient. Once objects are on your canvas, the selection tool becomes indispensable for repositioning, scaling, or rotating them. Remember to use the Properties panel to fine-tune details like color, stroke thickness, and transparency for a polished look. Efficient project management is key to a smooth workflow. Always save your work regularly to avoid losing progress. A quick save can prevent hours of redoing. Sketch Cut Lite supports importing a wide range of file types, including popular image and vector formats, allowing you to integrate existing assets seamlessly. When your design is complete, export it in formats like SVG for scalability or PNG for web use. Utilizing layers effectively will keep your complex projects organized and easy to modify. To truly master Sketch Cut Lite, consider these advanced tips. Grouping objects allows you to move, scale, or rotate several elements simultaneously, saving valuable time. Learning just a few essential keyboard shortcuts can dramatically increase your design speed. Leverage the alignment and distribution functions to perfectly space and position elements on your canvas, ensuring a professional finish. Finally, keep your software updated to benefit from the latest enhancements and maintain optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.